Hello, welcome to the tutorial video for setting up an authorized user in your WVU MyAccount. I've already logged into WVU MyAccount, and if you need any help getting to this point, you can watch our student WVU MyAccount login tutorial. To set up an authorized user, click on the Authorized Users under the My Profile Setup on the right-hand side of your screen on the homepage. If you have not set anyone up as an authorized user, there will not be a name listed on the landing page here. To add a new user, click on the Add Authorized User tab and input a valid email address for the user you would like to add. After that, you will need to use the yes or no buttons for each question to select the access you would like to grant to this user and click the Continue button when you're finished. A pop-up window will appear asking that you review and agree to granting this person access to your account. To continue, click on the box next to I agree and click Continue. The person you have granted access to will receive 2 emails letting them know that you have given them access. One email will tell them their temporary password, which will be valid for 24 hours, and another with their username, which should be their email that you used to set them up. In their emails, there will be a link to the Student Account Center, which they will use to log in for the first time and create their password before the temporary one expires. For more information about logging in as an authorized user, please refer to our authorized user login tutorial.